Hello students, welcome to the study of social science. In this video, we will discuss another topic of federalism for class 10, coming together and holding together federation. We know that in federalism, there are at least two levels of government, the central government and the state government. And the power is divided between these two levels of government. But the exact balance of power between the central government and the state government differs from one federation to another federation. That means in some cases the central government is more powerful than the regional or the state government. And in other cases the state government has more power than the central government. This balance of power depends mainly on the historical context in which the federation was formed. Means how did the federation come into existence? And there are generally two kinds of routes through which federations are formed, coming together and holding together. The first route involves independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit so that by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity, they can increase their security. That means a number of states come together to form a big and strong nation. This way, on one hand, they do not lose their sovereignty. On other hand, they maintain their identity and increase their security. Because when they get united, they become more powerful than before. For example, the USA. In 1776, 13 American colonies declared their independence from Great Britain. Then they came together and formed the United States of America. Today, the United States of America is a federation of 50 states. Then the USA is an example of coming together federation. In this type of federation, all the states have equal power and they are strong in comparison to the central government. Now the question is why the states are stronger. The states are stronger because they come themselves to form the federation. The central government has come into existence because of the states. So the states are stronger and powerful. In short, you can write when independent states come on their own to form a bigger unit so that by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity, they can increase their security is known as coming together federation. In this type of federation, all the states have equal power and they are strong in comparison with the central or federal government. The USA, Switzerland, Australia are examples of coming together federation. The USA is a federation of 50 states member. Australia is a federation of 6 states member. And Switzerland is a federation of 26 states member. Coming on to the second route. The second route is where a large country decides to divide its power between constituent states and the national government. Means in this type of federation, in order to accommodate its internal diversity, a large country decides to divide its power between the central government and the state government. For example, in India, the federal system was adopted due to two reasons. The first is the large size of the country and its socio-cultural diversity. So India is an example of holding together federation. Under this federation, the central government granting the power to the states. Thus the central government tends to be more powerful than the states. Under this federation, often different units of the federation have unequal power. This means all the states of the federation may do not have equal powers. Even some states may be granted special powers from the central government. For example, in India, some states have been granted special powers. Thus, in short, you would write, when a large country divides its power between the central and the state government is known as holding together federation. Under this federation, the central government tends to be more powerful than the states. And very often the different states have unequal power. Even some states have been granted special powers. The examples of holding together federation are India, Belgium and Spain. Let's make a list of differences between coming together federation and holding together federation. Coming together federation involves independent states coming together on their own to form a bigger unit. Whereas under holding together federation, a large country divides its power between the central government and the state government. Under coming together federation, all the units or all the states have equal power. But under holding together federation, very often the different states have unequal powers. Under coming together federation, the states are strong in comparison with the federal government. But under holding together federation, the central government tends to be more powerful than the states. Examples of coming together federation are the USA, Australia, Switzerland, and the examples of holding together federation are India, Belgium, and Spain. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.